Lok Sabha preparation is going on, and our target is 400 this time. So we will achieve 400 seats. So that is why we have to go everywhere, weak constituency wherever we didn't get. But we are doing our level best to reach them, and progress report is very good, very encouraging. We believe that we will achieve this one. This is our mission. No, not like that. There are some weak seats also there. We have calculated. Some seats are regional centric seats also there. But we try to improve that one. And also we will do it, because last two elections we have seen that it was not so much fruitful. But this time we are going to do it in such a way that people will understand that what is going on in national level, how they give us facility, all these things. So we will reach to the grassroots level this time. Now we see we will work first, and after that this matter we will discuss with the state team, then it will go to national team, then we will sit together with Prime Minister, Home Minister together, then we will allow the ticket. Till now, verbally to many people, but verbally will not do that, because one has to be acceptable by the people. Actually, both are a strong seat. Only we could not channelize. That is, we are also taking the responsibility that we could not reach to the grassroots level. We have instructed our party workers also start working. This time, so we could not celebrate even Christmas also, New Year also. We are working day and night. I believe it will come up to the level. Yes, I have seen in the media, but I have not interacted with him. So what is his opinion? Because we have to take the consideration of all the candidates, because we cannot simply write in the paper. We need to interact one-to-one. Let announcement of the party candidate, the reason is there is no organization. Because organization, if it is weak, then definitely we will have a tough time to select the candidate. So this time we are strengthening the organization first.